Yo, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the show. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Hooked on OC. We'll get back to the angler in just a second. Sea bass, flounder, out the wazoo, thanks to Captain Chris. But until we come back in a few minutes to the fishing, guess what time it is? Party platter, peeled and deveined shrimp, all things awesome seafood here at the corner, we call it. Crabs to go, $5.89, Route 50 right here. They do it like nobody else in the business, and it's that time of year, guys. Like I said at the top, party platters are starting. You guys have some awesome options with that.
Holiday
Lunch specials
season
have kicked in. Call about lunch specials.
We just triggered
Crab
those off.
meat stocked up. Oysters, I just had some for Thanksgiving. So Jamie, tell me what's on the menu for the party platters this year.
So right now, around the holidays, we sell a lot of party platters. They're perfect addition to any party that you might be bringing a tray to. This here pictured is our mini party platter. It's $99, and you see 4 different seafoods there. We have crab balls, barbecue scallops, barbecue bacon wrapped shrimp, and then garlic butter scallops. So that's going to be a ½ pound of each of those. And we also do 3 different sizes, so we can bump it up to 3/4 of a pound or a full pound of all of those items.
And what are the prices on the 3/4 and full pound?
So the 3/4 pound is $149, and the 1 pound of everything is $189.
You're talking 4 pounds of food, folks, on the big one, right? This one is 2 pounds. This is a ½ pound of everything. You can get 4 of the same thing if you want. You can get all 4 scallops. You can get all 4 crab balls. You have people do chicken tenders, whatevs.
These trays are completely customizable. We have a lot of different options, but this is one of the most popular.
Yeah, we got somebody that doesn't really particularly like the lemon butter scallops, right? So we do double the barbecue. But really, really awesome option. This one in particular for you specific folks, that one is $99, just like it sits. And peel and deveined shrimp, Natalie. First time doing a segment with us. Welcome. Doing a great job.
Hi. So
peel and deveined shrimp.
Yep, we have our jumbo shrimp right here. It is normally $28 per pound. This is 2 pounds right here.
No, it's not.
2 pounds minus 1 shrimp.
We also do our U12s. Those are $32 per pound. And you can choose to decorate it if you'd like.
Folks, you're a hero if you show up with us, because I'm not lying. This shrimp is absolutely delicious. And when you get to the party and you take the lid off of the thing and you got a couple of pounds of shrimp, it's already been deveined. No poop vein. There's no poop vein in there. That's what we called it when I was a kid. There's none of that in there. None of that gritty taste. You dunk it, you eat it, you smile. Simple as that. You guys also have a lot of crab meat in stock, right?
Yes.
I know the price is going up a little bit, but...
It has, so we're still carrying it. This time of year, we have flash frozen crab meat, so it's really the best you can get. It's still our Hooper's Island, Maryland meat. And they freeze it, they flash freeze it almost instantly. We thaw it out nice and slow, and it's just about the same product that we get through the summer.
All hand-picked stuff, right?
All hand-picked.
All hand-picked right here on the shore. Lunch specials have kicked in. We're going to do a segment on that in the coming months, but give a call here to the phone number and you can find out what the daily lunch specials are. All $9.99 options.
$9.99, and we have $8.99 every day as well.
And you know somebody loves seafood? Crabs to Go gift cards.
Get them a gift card.
You can put as much as you want on there. Put $1 million on it. That way you don't have to worry about ever filling it back up.
Yes.
You also have, we have to remind people of this, you also have the fresh fish, the salads and stuff. Apparently the business on that has slacked off a little because folks can't come inside the building. Just ask for it, man. Come in the window and ask for it.
Yeah, we'll bring anything to the window to show you. And we know it's been tough not being able to see everything in the deli case, but we're happy to still give you that chance to see everything before you buy it.
Are you guys going to be closed any days? Just Christmas Day, right?
Just Christmas Day,
Christmas Day. All right, well, we'll be coming at you next week after the Angler Show's over, bringing you our holiday episode. I'm going to have the sweater on. Santa's going to have his present pouch, all kinds of surprises in there. Guys, great job. Phone number, website, please.
410-641-9379 and crabstogo.com.
On the corner right here, Route 50 and 589. Be back in just a second.
Woo.